Time to do maintenance on the Volvo Xc40. So this time, part of the 80,000 mile service is changing the cabin filter. So, change the cabin filter is going to be located behind the glove box. I did pick up the factory cabin air filter from Volvo. Here's the part number for you guys. At first step, we're going to want to take these off. It's one on each side. You got to reach behind it, like lift it, pop it out. There's one. There's the other one. I'm going to catch this buckle like that, just lift it up. That'll loosen this. There it is. Now, to open this, there's going to be a cover. Click here. Get the cover out. And then put these two clips here. Open it up, and there she is. Pull it out. Yeah, this one's a little dirty. About time. So we're gonna go this way. The side, you can see the airflow is going down. Taking the air from outside, bring it in. Let's put the new one in. Alright, remember we want to put it in the same way. With the air going down, it's going to go this way. Alright, kind of got to hold this open or else it'll get stuck in there. So let me just bring you along for the ride. Once you get it in there, it's going to be nice and flush. Close the lid. Snap back into place. Alright, now that we locked this cover in, put this cover back on. Go into tabs there. Click back in here. Click back, lock back in there. Now all that's left is to put these two guys back on. Close the glove box a little. And now this side, this other hand, see, it's going to slide right into there and right in. That's it. There you go. Cabin air filter done on the Xc40.